All right, guys, it's time to harvest again. I mean, you can see how crazy it grew just in less than 2 weeks. So it's getting to where it can't even get light to the ones in the middle. They're so big. So I'm gonna harvest them, and this will be the last time. I think I might go ahead and take these out of this container and just try to plant them out in the greenhouse since it's warming up now, and just leave them out there and see if they grow out there in just a regular deep water culture instead of the aerated. So ain't gonna hurt nothing just to go ahead and throw them out there. I hate to throw them away. And you can see they've got just an incredible root system. So when we take these out of here, we're gonna have to cut some of the roots out. But I'm gonna give it a go. So all I'm gonna do this time to harvest these is take this knife and just hack it as low as I can. So we'll get to it. Get back. There you go, me more. You like my lettuce plant?
Oh my gosh. That's a lot. Look at that.
See?
I don't like it. How it looks like.
All right, so we're gonna transplant those back outside, see if they grow back. But they come apart pretty good. They weren't really tangled up that bad, so. And you can see all the lettuce we got. So, all right, feed them.
This is kind of fun.
All right, so there we go. We got them transferred out here in the greenhouse. So we're gonna leave them there, and I got a couple more over here. And next, we're gonna make us a bed over here, a hydroponic bed for these. But I haven't really decided yet if I'm gonna do it or not. You can see just how bad the algae gets whenever you got something under 24-hour light. Look at that. It's real bad. So we gotta take them out of here and get them into something else, and hopefully that won't be as big of an issue when they're not under 24-hour light. So I was just doing that to kind of get them to take off, and they're all doing good still. I might need to rinse them off a little bit, try to get some of that algae off there. This one's really taken off. I'm not sure what it is. It's either a tomato or a cucumber. I think it's a cucumber. So that's what we'll do next. I think I'm gonna go ahead and set up another one of these tubs I got and put them in there. So all right, so all we're gonna do is we're gonna drill some holes here I think I'm just gonna do, I'm thinking about doing 4. I think I'm gonna try to do 4 on each side and see if we can fit them in there, like all the way over here. So we'll give it a go, see what happens. All right, I staggered them a little bit, just to give them a little more room, but I got 8 of them in there. I got my water in here. We're gonna add a little bit of nutrients. Let's see here. Add some of our nutrients. Mix it up. And then we'll put our plants in here. And we'll call it a day. So I'll go ahead and get this going and then get the plants in there. So all we gotta do is take the plants. We got some roots already growing out there. And just pop them in there, just like that. Kind of a close fit, but seems to be good. Might have to add some more water. I don't know what this is. This is kind of funky looking. Look at that. It's kind of weird. Not sure what it is. There we go. Oh, wet. So we got fresh nutrients. We need to add a little bit more water in there. So I'll add some water and we'll be good to go on this. So I think this is going to be it for this video. And the next video I'm going to reinforce this shelf, and I'm going to try to scale this up and make a bed here with a styrofoam top, and that's where I'm going to plant my strawberries, or I'm going to try to. So catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching.